Hey space enthusiastic, welcome new video. In this video we are going to explore the history of telescope S as a beginner friendly. Have you ever looked up at the stars and wondered how it all began? A Dutch spectacle maker named Hans Lippershey is often credited with creating the first working telescope in 1608. While his original design could only magnify objects up to 3 times, it was revolutionary for its time. People could now see distant objects more clearly than ever before. This simple combination of convex and concave lenses was about to change human understanding of the universe. Before satellites, space probes, and giant observatories, there was one simple tool that changed everything: the telescope. Today, let us take a beginner-friendly journey through the birth of this amazing invention that unlocked the mysteries of the cosmos. Until then, most people followed the geocentric model of the universe, which placed Earth at the center. The telescope empowered scientists to explore space. Through direct observation instead of relying solely on philosophy and religion, telescopes became longer, more powerful, and more accurate. By the late 1600s, astronomers like Johannes Kepler and Isaac Newton would make further advancements, building the foundation for modern astronomy. It inspired generations of astronomers to keep looking up and questioning what they saw. But the evidence gathered through telescopic observations challenged this belief and supported the model proposed by Copernicus, where the sun is at the center. Our story begins in the early 1600s in the Netherlands. Until next time, keep looking up. From Hans Lippershey's workshop to Galileo's groundbreaking observations, the telescope changed how we see the universe and ourselves. Interestingly, Lippershey may not have been the only one working on such a device. Around the same time, other opticians like Jacob Metis and Zacharias Janssen were also experimenting with similar lens arrangements. But Hans was the first to apply for a patent, which is why he is most often recognized as the telescope's inventor. Galileo wasn't satisfied with a simple magnification of 3 times. He refined the design and created a telescope that could magnify up to 20 times. Soon, word of this invention spread across Europe, and scientists became intrigued by its potential for exploring the heavens. What he saw was nothing short of astonishing. He discovered that the moon wasn't a smooth, perfect sphere as previously believed. It had mountains and craters. He also found 4 moons orbiting Jupiter, which are now known as the Galilean moons: Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. This was solid proof that not everything revolves around the Earth. In 1609, just a year after Lippershey's patent application, an Italian scientist named Galileo Galilei got his hands on the basic telescope design. With this improved telescope, Galileo became the first person to use the device to observe the night sky in detail. He also observed the phases of Venus, another breakthrough discovery that provided evidence supporting the heliocentric model. The idea that the Earth and planets revolve around the sun, Galileo's observations caused a major shift in scientific thinking. This marked the beginning of what we now call the scientific revolution. In the years that followed, other scientists improved upon Galileo's design. So next time you look through a telescope, remember, this incredible tool began with a simple experiment using lenses over 400 years ago. It showed us that Earth isn't the center of everything, but just one planet among many in a vast, mysterious cosmos. If you enjoyed this beginner-friendly journey into space history, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more space stories, and comment below with your favorite astronomical discovery.